Odain getting a no problem. You understand? The person who Anna asked to take my life is Odain. You understand me? All along when time Anna didn't go through the pregnancy, when Anna did pregnant, right? When Anna did pregnant with her pregnancy, straight through the 9 months of pregnancy, she and Odain was friend. You understand? Straight through the 9 months of pregnancy, she and Odain are friend. Odain did not take care of her through the pregnancy. Through the 9 months of pregnancy, she know who her baby father was. But because she wants to touch the baby upon a brown man and she want a brown man in her life, she tell lie and give the baby to red ants. All along, Anna did know who her real baby father, but she decided to take the baby and put it pan red ants because you want the brown man in her life. No, when time me come out and talk, so she do the DNA, it grieve her. So what she did, she end up link with Odain, and anybody who believes a lie, who can link with Odain, and Odain will show you the whole proof, right? She link with Odain and ask Odain to take my life. You understand? So the whole thing, when me attack and I cry and I tell you say as somebody close to me, it was Odain. And it was not the first time she tried to send Odain to fight me. She tried to send Odain to fight me already. When time she and Odain did in the relationship. And Odain love her. You understand? What she did her boots Odain to come fight me, her mother. And a whole heap of uno can't put that through her head. You understand? She link with Odain and ask Odain to use the thing. And Odain asked her, really, are your mother? She said, if you not do it, give me, make me do it then. Odain think twice. And Odain come back and tell me. Make me know, say, my own daughter want to take my life. You know, one of the reasons why Odain tell me is because Odain know, say, if him not do it, she go to Red Ants, and Red Ants go get somebody else to do it. I'm not telling a lie, lady, and I don't have to tell a lie. Me ears me I call somebody name, me I call Odain name. So Odain I go did it back up when me attack say. No for uno the past social media, uno think it hard in uno brains for accept certain things that were wrong with uno. You understand me? I'm here telling you again. The person where Anna asks to take my life is our ex-man Odain. All along, when time Anna did pregnant, when she couldn't find food to eat, she go check Odain and Odain help her. The same food with black ants and red ants and yam out when she go check Odain. Right? She and Odain are linked straight through the pregnancy. Whole heap of uno no know that. Right? She already did know who her baby father is. But she just don't care. She want to put the baby upon another man. A lot of uno no look upon it, you know. So if the baby was red ants, why red ants they would take the DNA and show it to uno? Why red ants would come and show under the DNA since the baby a female baby? Eh? I don't talk. You don't want to believe me? I have no problem. I come off. Thank you, God. Odain, thank you. Odain, thank you. You know how long I want to talk? Odain, you know how long I want to talk? Oh, God, Odain, thanks. Guys, it all up to Odain now. It all up to Odain. It all up to Odain now. I swear to you. Spice, if they don't believe me, I don't care. If nobody do not believe me, I don't care. You know the reason why I not go down a station? Because I never want police lock up Odain. And Odain is a nice person and he can't tell me. You understand me? I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart. My daughter asks her ex-man to take my life. My own daughter when I birth out of my vagina asks her ex-man to take my life. And the only reason why me never want to come talk is because I don't want to put Odain in a no trouble. You understand me? Because if Odain be this nice person to me, hey, do a tapping nice. If Odain be this nice person to me and can tell me, honestly, me never want to go down a station for hurt him. You understand? Right? And I'm going to tell you one more thing. Me never see green arm carry. Me never see this green arm boy, this molly green arm trench arm boy. Me never see him carry pound of sugar come give me yet. And me see me dey up on my yard. And my daughter would have never look for me. Yeah, me tell you, and me say, Odain, take shortcut and carry $1,000. And take one look at shortcut and say, Mommy, me know say things tight pan you. Hold this and go buy yourself something. You hear me tell you? So you say, me, I will never be ungrateful to nobody boy pitney as how you're ungrateful to this young man. You understand me? He was the first man to buy a bed and put you on. He was the first man to give you a TV. He was the first man to make you could have stay in a house and feel like you're a woman. He was the first man to help you to go through training school so you can have a skill. You're a wicked girl and you're ungrateful. And I will never ever in my life trust you again. Argument done. We done. Me talk already. I'm done. I can go wet my lip. Yeah. Stop wake up sleeping lion. Because I am a sleeping lion. I'm not troubling you. So I don't know why you stink and green and molly and mucky and but man. I fast with Wingy. Wingy make a bone not trouble you. You understand me? And I don't know why you continue because you want the views. You use look at Wilbert for the views. It now work and people pick up say, yeah, use the baby for the views. No, you come jump over here supply your sister. Leave your sister alone. She have sense more than you. And that me I tell you, she full of sense. You understand? Odain not go come up, guys. Watch and see if Odain not go come up. Odain not go come up and film live. You understand? And no found I laugh and I take it for joke. When this wicked girl sit down and peel off a baby head top and I can tell people about the baby have some type of fungus. Which mother in them look at young days I go take them look at baby and peel out them head top so. We fool to motherhood. Look on the baby. You make the baby old before him young. Remember me tell her that you are going like say you have some look goody two shoes. You don't know a shit what you're doing with that look baby. You're a wicked girl when me see the look baby. The baby never smile much. The baby never smile much. When me look at Paul, look at Wilbert face. He look like a Gilbert. He come like one Gilbert pass through him ear. I saw his stamp pass through the pit the head top. When you say poor Gilbert. I saw Gilbert pass and tear off your all stop, you know. I saw it go. Yeah, you're a wicked mother. Both them a teacher. What them a teacher for do? Shave off your baby head top over there. Don't come over here, sir. Oh, I warn you. You stay warned. Okay, me don't know. Me don't. Me not no more. Me not do no more. Me don't. I'm in peace. I don't want my booby say me I cuss nobody. I don't want my booby say I'm cussing. Yeah, stop now. Yeah, me don't know. Me don't want. Yeah. Don't. Go back. Done. Me done. Yeah, man, we done, man. We not do this no more. Out of order and bright. Bone me, you see. You see a look a sister go out with that Italian. Come, guys, we play a match with Italian.